In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play the basketball game in Imessage on your iPhone running iOS 18. This is a fun and engaging way to challenge your friends without leaving your messaging app, and I'm here to guide you through every step of the setup and gameplay process. First, we need to ensure you have the right tool for the job, so we'll start by installing the Game Pigeon app. To do this, open your Messages app, that's the little green icon on your home screen. Once you're in, either open an existing conversation or start a new one by tapping the Compose button. Next, look towards the bottom of your screen, right next to the message input box, and tap the App Store icon, which is depicted as an A. This opens up the app strip, and from here just tap on the App Store icon again to open a list of available apps. Now in the search bar at the top, type Game Pigeon. Don't worry if you haven't heard of it before, it's a popular choice for iMessage games. When it comes up, tap Get to install it. It's free and installs quickly, so you'll be ready to play in no time. With Game Pigeon installed, we can now launch the basketball game within iMessage. First, go back to your Messages app and open the chat where you'd like to start a game. You'll want to access your app strip again, so swipe left or right until you see the Game Pigeon icon. Tap on this icon and you'll be presented with several game options. Select basketball from the list and you'll see a game preview ready to go. Now, all that's left to do here is tap the send arrow, just like you would when sending a regular message. This sends an invitation to your friend to join the game. And here's where the fun begins. When your friend taps on the game in your chat, the match will officially start, and you can both test your shooting skills against each other. Whether you need to make the perfect shot or just want a rematch to settle the score, remember that the journey to iMessage basketball victory is all part of the fun. And there you have it, folks. You're all set to enjoy the basketball game within iMessage on your iPhone, adding a new layer of entertainment to your everyday conversations. Enjoy playing and stay tuned for more fun tech tutorials.